Met by Amazon. Zero sales, zero motivation. Is it time to give up a dream? Hi guys, my name's John. Thank you very much for tuning into my latest video. If you're new to the channel, great. Hopefully you're enjoying the content and you stick around. So, recently I've seen a massive dip in my sales on my Amazon Merch account. Now this does have a massive impact on your actual motivation to carry on doing your Amazon. Now I was originally probably doing about 15 to 20 designs per day, and that's dropped down to roughly about 5 designs per day, and this is pretty much solely down to obviously my sales taking a massive drop. I was initially selling probably about 2 to 3 designs. I'd only just tiered up to 500 and I was selling about 2 to 3 designs per day, every day. The random days I would get maybe 1 or 0 sales, but initially I would get quite a lot regarding my actual tier status. However, in the last 6 days my sales have really dropped, and I think people are probably in the same predicament, especially people in lower tiers are probably thinking, right, I'm not getting anywhere. I'm in tier 10 or tier 25, even tier 100, and my designs just aren't selling. So is it really worth doing this? Is Merch dead? Is it time to just give up in the whole idea of making money from Amazon Merch? Well, I'm not a guru, I'm not an expert, but in my personal opinion, this is not something that we should give up on, really. This is something that obviously that we're striving to obviously build. We're really looking to gain from building our Merch business. So I mean, yeah, you're definitely going to come across some hardship, especially at the start. Like I was on the platform for a full year without tearing up, without getting any actual sales. I got a couple initial sales, and then I did give up on it, and that was probably a big mistake for myself, was giving up on it for a full year, because if I just continued, I would probably in a completely different situation as I am right now. I'm probably in a much higher tier with a lot more sales and a lot more experience. I got back into the game pretty much solely by chance. I decided, well, actually I noticed a payment on my account, on my bank account, and it was from Amazon Merch for a couple of dollars. I completely forgotten about it, and it just kind of reminded me of something that I was actually very passionate about. I was very passionate about making designs initially, and just the prospect of people from over the world actually wearing my designs, this was a very good thing for me. So yeah, I mean, if you are struggling, then maybe you just have to learn a bit more. Maybe it's just about keywords, your actual designs. If you've got 10 designs up and they've been up for weeks and weeks and nothing is happening, then please just recycle them. Like, the truth is, if they're not sold in that long, then they're probably not going to sell, and if they do sell, it's not going to be a lot. You're not going to make a lot of money from these designs. The best thing to do, Amazon Merch is definitely a numbers game, okay? And trying to find a good design that is going to sell all year round is like, it's basically about purchasing a winning lottery ticket, you know. So you may have an amazing design, it just may not be marketed or keyworded properly, and it's not actually reaching the target audience, or maybe your design just quite simply isn't as good as you expect and it's just not that desired. I have got designs that I'm sitting at 190 designs that's uploaded right now, and what they do, some of them, I mean, I'd probably say about 20 of my 190 designs actually have sold and probably ever will sell. The rest will eventually just be outdated and they will fall off. And this is the reality of what's actually going to happen to your designs. Like, most of your designs aren't going to sell, okay? They won't sell, and that's fact. Finding the ones and designing the ones and marketing them and getting the proper keywords that's the real game with Amazon Merch. That's the real struggle, and that's what you have to really try and find. But your way of doing things. Do not look at like they're a competition. Don't copy their designs. Don't try and copy their keywords, etc. Reason being is because eventually it's going to happen to you, and try and do your own original content. Try and find markets that isn't completely saturated. There's probably ample of them out there, even though there's thousands and thousands, if not millions of designs being uploaded every month from obviously all the different content creators. You will find something. Keep at it. If you're in lower tiers, just keep recycling your designs. Just take the old ones down. If they're not selling, they've been up for ages, take them down. There's no point in being up. Don't waste your space, essentially. If you've only got 10 listings and they've been filled for, say, about a month, then the fact is that they're not going to sell. Or even if they do sell, the fact is you have to get sales just to get out of your starting tiers. This is okay when you start to get maybe at higher tiers, you can keep them hanging around, but when you're at low tiers, you really want to tier up to get more designs up. So if they don't sell, maybe within the first month, I would definitely just look into just getting rid of them. They're not worth it. They may be worth it longer later on down the line. You can upload these when you're actually at higher tiers. I just wouldn't do it at the moment. It's not smart. So just try and keep motivated, guys. Like, I have, obviously, I'm really feeling the effects of the sales process right now. I went quite, excuse me, went a few days without sales, but you know what? I can't let it get me down. I have to just keep at it and just keep finding new designs, new keywords, etc., and just keep uploading. Eventually, once I hit the 500 mark of how many designs I've got uploaded, I will just leave it at that, and then I will just watch and see what happens. Hopefully, I'll start getting daily sales again. And what I'll do from then is, ones that's been uploaded for a long time, I'll take them off and just start the whole recycling process. Eventually, you'll get to that point too. This is, I'm not a guru. This is just some little hints, some little tips, a bit of advice for someone that's maybe a little bit further along than you. Now, I know there's a lot of people that isn't much further along than me, and a lot of people just they don't like, obviously, telling the competitors how they got there, and that's understandable. But I watched a lot of YouTube channels, and I got a lot of advice from, obviously, a lot of people that are in the same predicament as myself, maybe a little bit further along. And I'd like to think that I can bring a bit of value to people that's obviously just starting out their journey or struggling. So anyway, guys, hopefully I brought a little bit of value to obviously what I says to you. Hopefully you actually understand what I'm meaning, and you can just take it in and you actually get somewhere with the advice I'm giving. If you do, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to watch any more of my content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.